Hi, I'm Georgie Holbrook. I've taught natural remedies now for years in classes with individuals. I have self-help books that are filled with natural remedies, but I'm going to talk today about swelling and pain. This is a great product, Aztec Indian Healing Clay. It's a bentonite clay, and how you mix it is you get a bowl and get yourself some apple cider vinegar, either the brown or the white, both of them work, and mix equal parts, but you're going to mix it like a cake mix, so it might need more of either one of those ingredients until you get it like a cake mix. And then you're going to take it and find yourself a piece of cloth. Now I get this in the grocery store. They're real durable and you can rinse them out after, but these are found in the cleaning supplies. And you're going to spread your clay right in the middle, thick, like a fourth of an inch thick. Not like peanut butter. You want it thicker than that so it actually can activate. And then you're going to fold it like a sandwich. So your clay is in the middle. And then you say it's an elbow that's in pain or swelling. You can wrap it around here to either hold it, or you can tie it somehow with a pin. If it's a knee, you can figure out some type of way to put it around the area that you're working with. You can also put it directly on the skin. So say I have a pain in my elbow or my elbow's swollen, I can spread the clay on here, leave it on for a half an hour or 45 minutes. But the indicator is, if you're putting it directly on the skin, is that as the clay dries, it's going to flake. And so you don't want to let it flake because it's going to get on your floor and it's going to be a little harder to get off the skin. So just before that, as you'll notice it drying, you'll want to wash it off. It's an awesome product. It was actually used for facials, so I use it for a facial too. So when you're putting it on your face, you'll notice a pulsing that takes place, but it leaves your skin feeling smooth and beautiful after. And you could actually put it in a bathtub also by mixing it up with your apple cider vinegar and then taking either a cup or a half a cup of the clay and putting it in your bath water. It's really just an overall great product. Okay, so what do you do after your clay is mixed and it's in your cloth and now you're done with it on your arm, for an example? Then fold it, put it in a plastic bag and put it in the refrigerator. So the next hour or two or next day, it still will be fresh. You can pull it out and put it back on your elbow and watch it do its work. Most people will experience the swelling and pain being relieved within an hour, maybe less, in a half an hour. So it's a great home remedy to have on hand for emergencies, but also for having any kind of current issue. Hopefully this has been helpful. Like me on Facebook and YouTube, and I appreciate you doing that. And send me suggestions of other things that you'd like me to talk about. I've got a beautiful website, and home remedies are still in. Our ancestors used them, and I'm finding that the more we can be equipped with knowing and understanding how to heal our body, it's just a beautiful process, and you'll feel more confident having remedies. So I also have many services on my website where I teach you how to care for your body, how to nurture your body, and how to come back in to self-love, self-nurturing, and having self-confidence to live your passion and walk proud, knowing how your body operates and how to care for it all along the way. Thank you.